Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. On the right, this is the look we're going for today. Look how natural it looks up front. You're not gonna see the thread. We are using some hair from eayon the same hair that we use for the miracle knots. That's the same hair we're using for this look. We're going for a quick look. We're doing the crochet braid, going straight back with the natural look up front. This is how I started. I have one strand of the hair up front. I have her hold it and I just cornrow the rest. If you don't want to go the miracle braid route and you want to crochet the hair, this is the best way to do it. Just have one strand up front and then just cornrow the rest of your hair with the human hair. You will crochet the rest of the hair, but the very front, the edges, you will not see the thread if you do it that way. Eayon hair sent 5 packs, but the packs have so much hair in it, we end up using just 4. And it's 2 colors. That hair is very unique. You know the strand? One of the strand is color 4 and the other strand is color 30. So it's the perfect blend. You see right now, you don't see the thread. The front is color 4 and the middle, when I pull out the ombre hair, the color, that's the 30. So they separate. Once you see the full look, it's gonna be very beautiful. It's 2 color 4 and 30. There's no way you can wear the 4 or the 30. They come together. Look, I'm gonna keep doing it. Into the right, you see how the front look like. You don't see the thread. That's why I cornrow some of the hair up front and then just finish with the rest. But we'll crochet her entire head once we do it. Like once we're done with this, we'll just crochet everything else, but you will not see the thread up front. And once I'm done with the pattern, I just use a latch hook to secure that one strand of hair. And once again, the hair is from eayonhair.com. I'll make sure I link it in the description box. Before I crochet the hair, I'm going to use this oil from Glam Natural Oil. It'll be linked in the descriptions as well. I am using 4 packs, color 4 and 30. Each strand has a different color in it. One strand has 30 and the other strand has 4. So it is the perfect blend. Once I'm done with the oil on her scalp, I just crochet the hair. This is why this method is so fast. It took me 1.5 hours to do this one, not even 2 hours. Once I do the front, I just crochet the hair. This is how 2 packs of the hair look like, and this is how the hair looks straight from the pack. Nothing frizzy and it doesn't shed. All you do is just crochet it. It doesn't matter how many loops you do. I just do 1 loop because it won't slide out. I just keep crocheting it till I'm done. This is a closer look of how I crochet the front end. Do you see why I cornrow the hair up front instead of crocheting it? It won't look, you won't see the thread. That's why I did it. And this is the final look. The hair is super big. It's very full. If you don't want it to look that big, you just use moisture. You spray water on it, and you don't need to use any products yet. I got Deep Wave 18-inch color 4 and 30. The hair is human hair. This is how 1 pack look like. You get 2 bundles in 1 pack, and this is how beautiful that color is. That's the pack that I have as leftover. I received 5. We use just 4, and this is how the front look like when you do the method that I showed you at the very beginning of the video. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you on my next one. Don't forget to check the description box for the link to find this hair. Thank you.
She helps me to grow. The life that she gives is something I need to survive. And I'd go to the sun and back for her love. I'd fight in 1,000 wars to collapse there in her arms. Pretty my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world, she is my heart forever, my girl.